Hello friends, how are you? This is Dr. Shinagi, Ayurvedic medicine doctor and also Isha Hatha yoga teacher. So today in this video we are going to talk about a question that whether a person with kapha related disorders should eat citrus fruits or no. Many times we have heard these things like I have sinusitis or I have mucus issues or I have chest infection, and in these conditions should we eat some citrus fruits or no, especially oranges or amla. All these citrus fruits are good or bad when we have more mucus related disorder or kapha related disorders. So in Ayurveda, as you know, whole Ayurveda revolves around digestive fire. And if you have kapha related disorders, but your body type is more of pitta body type or vata body type, and still you have mucus or some chest infection or some sinusitis related problems, you can eat citrus fruits. Even amla is the best for immunity. But there is a way to eat citrus fruits or anything citrus, because as you know, all the citrus fruits are rich in source of vitamin C, and which is very essential for your body immunity and your recovery. So in a way, citrus fruits can be eaten, but make sure that these citrus fruits, especially if you are sick or if you are having fever or if you are having any kind of infection, they should be organically grown and fully ripe. They should not be sprayed with pesticides, and they should not be raw. So if fruits are very raw, unripe, and if you have some cough, cold, mucus related infections, and if you're eating citrus fruits, it will aggravate that infection. But if you are taking organic fruits and which are fully ripe on the tree and no pesticides sprayed on them, and if then you are taking these citrus fruits, they will work for your immunity. Now, if you have kapha body type and you have sinusitis and throat sore throat or chest infection kind of problems, then how to eat citrus fruits? If this is a problem with you, then citrus fruits should be eaten only when there is sun in the sky. For other people also, the best time is whenever there is sun in the sky, that time you should take. Uh, Especially after sunset, you should never consume citrus fruits, because as I mentioned, citrus fruits also consume a lot of energy to digest, and already if you have infection, if you have chest infection or any kind of chronic problem, that your digestive fire goes very down. And if your digestive fire goes down and if you're eating citrus fruits after sunset, then it becomes difficult for your digestive fire with weak digestive fire to eat this amount of fruit, especially after sunset. If you have kapha body type, then it is special precaution that you can eat citrus fruits only when there is sun in the sky, not when it is very damp or there is cloudy weather or no sun in the sky. That time you should avoid citrus fruits because it can aggravate the situation. Now there is one more thing that you need to keep in mind, like while eating citrus fruits, don't mix it with any milk product, and don't take any of the orange after having food. You should always consume any fruit before eating grains, not after eating grains, because fruits get digested more quickly as compared to grains. So in short, we can say you can eat citrus fruits, but you should not consume them in excess, especially if you are sick. And don't take citrus fruits juice, take fruit as a whole, because the fiber that is present in the fruit, especially when you have some issue, that will help you to digest the fruit in a proper way as compared to juice. Juice is difficult for the body to digest because it's not the natural form. Natural form is full fruit with fiber. It's easy for the body to recognize this kind of fruit and digest it well. So that's all for today's video. Thank you so much for watching, and if you're watching me for the first time, there is a bell icon, there is a subscription button. Please click the bell icon, hit the subscription button so that you stay in tune with our upcoming videos. Also, if you would like to support us, there is a join button near subscription button. You can click this join button and you can support us. Those of you who want Ayurveda consultations, please write to me on this given email ID and I will let you know how we can schedule it. If you have any questions, please write down those questions in the comment section. I will try to answer your questions in the best possible way. So with this note, I would like to say stay healthy, stay blessed, take care. Bye.